Hi everyone, everything EmloyConcepts, your ultimate destination for all things cake design, cake decorating and finger foods. Whether you are a professional or a passionate beginner, our channel is dedicated to inspiring your creativity with expert tips, stunning designs and deliciously crafted cakes. Join us and let us make every event unforgettable. Today's video is on fondant piping. So there was this cake sample we got from a client, and it's a fondant cake with a buttercream piping. So I was curious and I felt it should be possible to replace the buttercream piping with a fondant piping. So I decided to test how possible this will come out or how it will look like, and behold, it really came out so nice. So I'll be sharing my experience with you on this video. I'm sure you will enjoy the video and you will definitely learn a lot from this video. Guys, watch this video carefully because you need to be careful the amount of water you use to mix the fondant if you are going to be using this method. If you use too much water, it makes the fondant watery and it will not hold the shape of whatever piping tip you use. So just use enough water to loosen up the fondant in a way that it will pass through whatever piping tip you are using. Guys, watch this video carefully. Enjoy this video. Please share this video. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this video. And guys, subscribe to my channel. Support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you for sticking around, and there you have it, guys. So what do you think? Is this a good way of replacing buttercream piping on fondant cake? Guys, let me know in the comment section below. Will you be trying this as well? I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the video. Thank you guys for coming around. Thank you for watching this video. And before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, guys. Thank you. Bye.